In this worked example on natural logs, the first equation might look really familiar to you. So this is what we saw in that first worked example, and if we're going to take the natural log of both sides, we can say that the natural log of a is equal to the natural log of a naught, and then we're going to take the natural log of e to the minus lambda t, which is just minus lambda t. Okay, the next thing we need to do is just complete the table here. Now on the y-axis, on this graph over here, we've got the natural log of a, and on the x-axis we've got t. So how does that relate to this equation up here, and how does that then relate to the gradient and the y-intercept? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to rewrite this in the form of y equals mx plus c, where we can say the natural log of a is equal to minus lambda t plus the natural log of a naught. And we can see how this is related to the equation y is equal to mx plus c. So here, the gradient is equal to minus lambda, and the y-intercept is equal to the natural log of a naught. So the gradient is equal to minus lambda, and the y-intercept is equal to the natural log of a naught. Describe how the value of the constant lambda could be calculated. So it says here this is called the decay constant. So this is going to be related to the gradient m on that graph. So we can say that the gradient m is equal to minus lambda, and that means lambda is going to be equal to the negative value of the gradient. So you can look at the data on the graph that you've plotted. If you take the natural log of a and t, you can plot a straight line of best fit, you can work out the gradient in the usual way, and then you can use that value, and it's going to be a negative value for the gradient, so you just multiply it by -1 to get the value, the positive value for the decay constant of this equation. By the way, this is just one of many videos I've made covering all of the maths that you need to understand for A-level physics. It's part of the mini course, which includes many more topic videos, multiple worked examples, and also a guide that you can download. You can find all of this over at alevelphysicsonline.com.